Let me ask you something. What oil is in your kitchen right now? Do you know? Well, you should, because it's extremely important for your health. Is it actually helping your health or silently sabotaging it? Most people cook with oil every single day, yet few know what's really inside the bottle. In today's masterclass, we're going deep. You will discover the truth about cooking oils, the good, the bad, and everything in between. By the end, you will know exactly what to choose, what to avoid, and how to cook smarter, not just tastier. Cooking oil is a fat extracted from seeds, fruits, and nuts, used not just to prevent sticking, but to add flavor, nutrition, and texture. We get oils from crushing, like cold pressing olives, heat, and solvents, like with soy or canola, or even chemical refining. The type of oil and how it's processed greatly impact its health profile and shelf life. Ancient civilization used oils for health, cooking, and even medicine. Yet today's ultra-processed oils are far removed from their roots. So let's look at the main categories. Monounsaturated fats found in olive, avocado, and peanut oil, great for the heart. Polyunsaturated fat like omega-3 rich flax seeds or omega-6 rich corn oils, some promotes inflammation if overused. Saturated fats like coconut oil, butter, and ghee, they're stable but somewhat controversial. Trans fat, which are artificials, so avoid completely. And what about seed oils? They're highly processed and can become unstable when heated. So that's a red flag for oxidation. So different oils behave differently when heated, which is also extremely important to keep in mind what you're cooking, when you're cooking, how you're cooking, and to what temperature it needs to be. Avocado oil, its smoke point is 520 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for high heat. Extra virgin olive oil, the smoke point is 375 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, which is good for medium heat sauteing. Butter and ghee, wonderful flavor, but moderate heat only. Use high smoke point oils for frying and flavor-rich oils like sesame for finishing. Remember, overheating an oil can destroy nutrients and releases toxic compounds. So, olive oil is an anti-inflammatory. Coconut oil, still debated, may raise HDL, but also it can raise LDL. Vegetable oils like corn, soy, and canola are often refined with chemicals and may contribute to chronic inflammation if overused. And don't fall for the myth that all fats are bad and your brain, hormones, and cells need healthy fat. Keep oil in a cool, dark place. Heat and light destroys the quality of oil. So what are the shelf lives for these different types of oil? Well, Olive oil, the shelf life is usually 6 months to 12 months. Coconut oil, 1 to 2 years. And seed oils, usually shorter shelf lives. If it smells like crayons or has a bitter aftertaste, it's likely rancid, so toss it. Never pour used oil down the drain. Collect and dispose it in a sealed container. So, label reading and shopping tips. Well, you should look for cold pressed or expeller pressed, extra virgin for olive oil, and unrefined for flavor and antioxidant. You really need to avoid partially hydrogenated oils and generic vegetable oil blends with no sourcing. Try to stick with brands that are transparent about sourcing, processing, and packaging. So let's quickly answer what most people usually ask in terms of some of the most common questions. What's the healthiest oil? For most, it's extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. Best oil for frying, it would be avocado oil, peanut, or refined coconut. Are seed oils toxic? Well, when overused or overheated, yes, they cause oxidative stress. So can I reuse oil? Usually not ideal. Each reuse reduces quality and raises health risks. So, to wrap up, you need to prioritize minimally processed oil. Very, very important. Match oil to cooking method because it's a different temperature, different types of oil will be important to know and make sure it doesn't release any significant amount of toxins. Use oils with heart and brain benefits, so keep avocado oil and extra virgin oil in mind. Avoid rancid, reused, or heavily refined oils. You deserve food that fuels your health, not just fills your plate. So thank you for watching, and next time you pour oil in the pan, you will know exactly what's going in your body.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.